Hello everyone. So we have to draw the lines to make its eyes and the face. Now make the legs of the sheep and then draw the lines further to make the wool on the sides of it. Surround it like this and make its ears. Color it with the white color and it's ready. Next, draw the letter S and then we have to draw the lines further to make two bunnies. Make its ears, eyes, nose and the mouth of it like this. Now one side we have to make a kitty and then on the other side we have to make a rabbit. So now we make its legs and tail like this on the sides and it's done. Next, write 3 and the inverted 3 like this. Now in the between, make a carrot. Now join the lines to make the body of the rabbit. Make its ears, draw its eyes, nose and the mouth like this. Now after that, you have to draw the tail like this. Make the carrot, draw the lines and it's done. Next, we have to draw 2 and the 00 like this. Make its ears, eyes, nose and the mouth of the kitty like this. Make its body, draw its legs and the tail on the back like this. Now, we have to draw the lines like this as shown in the video and it's done. Next, we have to draw a circle. Make the ears of it like this. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now after that, we have to make the further body of it. Now make the body, make its legs like this and then you have to make the tail on the back and it's done. Next, we have to make a wolf. So make the face of it and then its ears. Now make its nose, eyes and the mouth. Now we have to complete its body. Make its legs like this and then draw the tail on the back of it. Now color it with the orange color and fill it like this in the pattern and it's done. Next, we have to draw the wool of the sheep. Now make its face in the between like this. Make its eyes and then make its nose and the mouth. Make its small cute legs like this and color it and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making something more interesting. So we'll be making an elephant. So make the face of the elephant and its trunk like this. And then make its eyes, nose and its long ears on the side. Now complete its body. So make its legs and the hands like this. Make its cute tail on the back and color it with the grey color and it's done. Next, we'll be making a tortoise. So draw the lines like this and then make its back. Make its legs as shown in the video. Now join the tail, make its eyes, make the patterns over its back like this. And it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making the face of the piggy. So make its nose and the eyes of it like this. Make its ears. Now after that, we'll be making its body as shown in the video. So make its legs like this and then we have to make the tail on the back and it's done. Next, we'll be making the circle like this and then write 22 on a digit. Now we have to draw the lines on the sides. Make its eyes, nose and the mouth. Now after that, make its ears as shown here. Now after that, draw its legs and then make its tail on the back as shown here. Color it with the brown color and it's done.